Good morning, everyone. We will see today how to import things from Blender to Unreal Engine, and it will be an open source pipeline for. This is a tutorial for an open source pipeline for Unreal Engine. Here we will make 2D objects in Inkscape, and then we will import them in Blender, and then we will import that thing into Unreal Engine. So here it's Blender 2.8, and this is the thing which I downloaded yesterday. Today is 20th February 2019. So I have previously made a stream, a Facebook live stream. Let me open that thing first. New text document, and so these are all the links which are there. So this is the thing which is already there. So I will add it in the description. So anyone who is willing to work could find it. It will show you how to import character from Blender to Unreal Engine by making by Scratch. If you are making a Scratch character from Blender, then this is the thing which will help you. So what we will do today, do right now, we will show some important things like how to import things specifically. I did a video, so let me open Inkscape first. I will open Inkscape. Here it is, Inkscape. So I'm trying to make this a small video because, and I will also open Unreal Engine 4.21. Okay, let me double click it first, then I will return it over here and open recent VR walls. Excuse me for that sound, I'm extremely sorry. So these are the things which I have already made. So there is a big problem while you are importing things from Inkscape to Blender. So we will cover that part also, and we will because in Blender we don't have a good measuring system. Even though it is there in 2.8, it shows up when you go in the edit mode, but it will not help you to place the anchor point at a correct place where you want at the end of this place. So to get this thing, I have made a previous video in Bengali which is in YouTube, which is in the same playlist. So what you need to do two things. You need to check the pixels here, and you have to go to this X and Y. Here Y is 0, and here, sorry, X is 0 and Y is minus 2854.910. So you have to place your objects at this place, and then you can import them at the origin. So let this be, and we will we'll do a new thing, and we will place just another shape. Like, let me draw a shape. So it's just I'm trying to demonstrate things, that's why I'm doing this thing. So we will place x equal to 0, x equal to 0, and we will have to make it pixels, and this is pixels, and we will have to make it minus 2854.910. so it will jump out of the screen and it will reach here. So, and if we do something shape like this, then it's better if you make like this. So this point is 2854 point, yes, sorry, this point is minus, it's still in, it gets, okay, so this one is minus 2854.910. So if you export this thing, then it will have its anchor point here, and that is the idea of export at the base. So if we want its anchor point to be here, anchored like this, or if we this is, or let me rotate it a bit so that we could understand what I want to mean. So if I want to bring it like this, and if I want make it a corner, is this, yes, and if I make it another corner, and if I select both of these and make a straight line, and see, and we can see this is done. So we have this thing over here. We can again place it, that's not a big deal. So and if we curve it down like this, so this one is the point and we want to place it where we need. So we have to make it 2854.910, and it's done, and x shall be 0. So this is the thing. So minus 2854.910. So this thing will this thing will come to this point, and then we will be, and if we save it, and if when we will save it, we have to save it, and we will save it as like trial, so, and hit save, and then if we open our Blender, let it open first. So we have opened a lot of things, so let it open first, and yes, okay, we will create just a new file. So we will hit delete, and we will just hit import, and import fb, sorry, not fbx, svg. And if we go to gcity, we have trial, like here, where are you, trial, here it is, trial import svg. It has come into the thing, and the best part of it, it is having the anchor point at the end of it, so which is a thing which we always want while importing things from here. So this is the thing, so this is how you can get it done. And there is another thing which I have made, a VR thing. I have made this walls, so I have made this walls in such a way. So let me show you how I have made this walls. I have made, let me make it 200. So I have made this walls. Let me show you what are these walls. So this is the wall. So it allows me to pass by it. So I have used this. Let me open up the file which I have used. This is of no use anymore to us, so we will go and we will open recent, and we will open this file. This one I have made already. So these are the building bones I have used. This could be anything. I have these are the objects. So this is the wall. Okay, let me show you the name. So this is the wall. So this is inside wall C. So we will come here and we will check which one is inside wall C. I think inside wall C is this one. So what I will do, I will go into 1, yes. So we are in the front ortho. So and we have to, let me check out the, it's imperial, so it's not a problem. So if I want to increase a feet by it, so what we will do, we will, since it's in the imperative, we will go into the edit mode, and we will hit A. We will select uh, the top portions, and we will extend it to here, and we will check it that whether all, oh, it didn't, okay, it didn't. So we have to select all the things, and then we will go into the specific view, and we can snap it like this, and then I assume it will snap. So now it has become 1 feet larger. So we will save it like this, and everything else is done probably. So we can do another thing, we can go into the mesh, sorry, we will hit A, and we will go in the UV image editor, and we will hit A. We will go in this tab, and we will hit map, and we will do another unwrap, so it unwraps properly, so that we have changed the vertex, so it unwraps properly, and we will again unwrap it here, light map pack. So it did the same thing, nothing has changed over here, so that's a good thing. And I have added materials, added some materials in the model, like with the face. So in this panel I have added the materials. So if I export this model, and only specific this model, and if I, and yes, then it will automatically, we can see that it would that its height would increase here directly. So that is what I know. So arc mesh, so inside wall C, it has a collision which I have made previously, so we will hit a box collision, we will save, and we can see show collision. So if we hit play, and if we try to go through, see, we can so these are the problems of it, but that is not a problem, we can pass through it. So this is the collision. So okay, we will import this again, and no, we will okay, we will first delete it properly. Where is my Unreal Engine? Yes, we will delete this thing, and we will delete this thing, and we will see, okay, we will find that, do we have any, no, we don't have anything walls. Okay, we have one wall over here, so this is okay, we don't have anything, so we will hit wall 7, outside wall is the thing. So this is another wall we were having here, so we will delete it, we don't need it. So so we will again import outside wall C. So there is a tool, this is the tool which we are using over here. So this is the Capsule Tool, so you can get it, it's a plugin for Unreal 4. So I'm just showing you how to use it. So you have to go into the user preferences, and then you can find, if you go into this import export, there we can find import export capsule. So here you have to add UE4 standard. There is a video on it, so you can watch that thing. I will try to add the link also to it. So that thing done. So we have just changed the height, and we have changed everything. So we will just import this thing. So what I will do, I will just nothing is asked made enable. Okay, this one is enabled, so we don't want to export it, we just want to export this thing. So because we have edited it, so we will just enable export, and we don't need this thing outside wall cx, we will delete it. Inside wall a, oh, inside wall c, inside wall c, okay, we will hit export. Inside wall c, what are these things, I have forgotten. Inside wall c does, okay, let it be, we will just hit export, and we will try it, and it is being exported over here. Inside wall C, so we will uh, throw it over here, it will automatically update. Okay, so okay, I have, okay, I did a wrong thing. We were looking for outside wall C, and I did inside wall C. So 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 that's okay, let's go, and this is not the thing which I want to show you. So this is outside wall C, which, where are you, outside wall C, outside wall C, yes. So we have to, I was willing to increase its height, though that is not the problem. So these are the things you need to do. And if I place outside wall C over here, and then if we increase the Z by 50, we can use it as a wall. And the best part of this uh, model is we have a skirting on the wall, we have added in the mesh, and we have two different we have made the faces like that, so we can have different materials, like on the different sides of the walls. So that is the idea behind it, and that is the thing. And I have the previous demonstration which I was showing, where it is in the Facebook. I will open that file again. Okay, let me show you. This is not that thing. Okay, we will again now open recent. So this is our file. So hi root, so we have, so this thing we don't need, we just need the high thing. So we will delete it, and we will delete it, we will delete everything. We will only keep this high kid, which is in a very wrong shape. That doesn't matter, we have lots of things to it. We will save it like this. We will then import it. I have the proper described video in the Facebook live, so I will add that thing up, and it's around 20 minutes. So we will export fbx, we will name it as h2, okay, and we can do selected objects, that really doesn't matter. There are a few things which I can do, like if I go into the hi kid, and if here I had, okay, so yes, if I go into where, okay, I have, yes, if I make it into the previous out properties, yes, if I go into here, here rather, or where, what I want to show you, I'm forgetting things, that's not the materials, UV maps channels, I'm forgetting something. So okay, this is the thing, and oh, yes, normals, auto smooth. If we did do the auto smooth, it will help somewhere. I don't know how it will help. This will do. And now we will export, and there are some rules while exporting FBX. We will hit +1, and our in armature we have to stop this thing, and we have to make this root. This thing done, we can hit export, and this thing will be exported, and we can import our model here. So we have exported the model somewhere around here, and it will be at the top. Yes, here it is. So we will just, okay, so skeletal mesh, everything. So let it be everything as it is. You just hit import all, and I haven't created an UV, so it's saying that thing. Okay, let me create that UV first. Okay, it's not that tough either. So object mode to edit mode, and then I will hit just mesh UV unwrap smart UV project. Okay, so let me see what it has done. UV image editor. Oh, I haven't clicked A, and then I have to do mesh UV unwrap smart UV project. Okay, and then we will again add for a light map. I don't know whether I need it or not, but I will still do it. Light map, and we will mesh add UV unwrap, make a light map pack. So this thing's being done, and we don't have a what other error it's showing message. No smoothing group information was found in the. So to do that, we will do a single thing. So let me see. I have created some bullshit animations, some very poor animations. So those things will be there. Okay, somebody is saying something to me. Okay, we will look into it later. That's not the problem. Okay, so we will reach to Blender first, and we will while importing that thing, we will check that thing again while exporting. So we will have to go into the object mode. So let me select the our kid, and we will go to export, and we will make it 3, and add leaf bones root, it's all right. Main geometry normals only, we have to make it edge, so then that will be solved. So this thing done, let's hit another export FBX. So let's save it, and we will go to Unreal, and we will delete all these things. Delete. they don't have any root sets probably, so we will go into yes this thing, and we will pop it up here, and we will just hit import all, and now it will come here without any errors or messages. So this is the best pipeline we have today for for uh, um, for Unreal from Blender. So this is what it is. So these are the two poor animations which I have made, which is in this video. I will paste the link. I will paste the link. So okay, let me close this thing. This is not very much important. So it's in Facebook. I was doing a live stream in Facebook, so it is over there. So this thing will be over there. So that's it. Thank you.